Hey y'all, this is Jack, and I want to show you some of the progress that I've made in the last day working on this VR thing with Unity. I got a lot of things set up. Not too much that you haven't seen, but a few things that you haven't, and I want to go ahead and show off some of the other things that we've put in. So instead of going through Unity and showing you guys every boring thing, let's just jump into VR and see what's changed. All right, here we go. All right, so one of the big things that has changed is last time I just had my stick hands. Well, now my stick hands have the capability to teleport. So whenever I press the stick left or right, up or down, now it gives me a teleportation item in which I've been able to make it to where when I rotate it around with my right thumb, it actually goes in the direction that I want it to. That actually took quite a lot of work, but it does work. So I've been able to do that. All right, then I also have my left hand stick where if I hit left and right on the thumbstick, it moves me left and right. Not moves, it changes my point of view, it rotates me left and right. And then I've also been able to put in these teleportation locations, which will take you straight to where you teleported at. You can turn, go to the other one. My joystick works. Then I also made it where if you go too far, you can no longer sneak in and see all the other hidden stuff that I have back there. It all now looks black. But you still can't go through the walls, and that's kind of unfortunate. But one thing you cannot do is you cannot try to find out what's behind this. Because I've been able to make it where if you try to stick your head in here, you cannot see anything. It automatically goes black. So you can't try to sneak in and see what awesome clues are hidden in the cabinet. So it's taken a lot of work, and also yeah, and the little teleportation doohickey keys. So it's taken a lot of work just to get the locomotion down of the joysticks, the X, Y, Z coordinates, what happens when you press one stick, what happens when you press the other stick. And even though it's taken a lot of work, it's absolute blast. I am having so much fun. Alright. So, that is all I've got for right now. Hey, thank you guys for jumping in and checking this out with me. I'm having a blast. Hopefully you guys are too, and I will see you next time.